Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive BMW 3 Series automatic, only way. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel, fasten your seatbelt, and set the gear to drive while holding the brake. Familiarize yourself with paddle shifters, parking brake, and start/stop button before moving. Keep hands at 9 and 3, watch surroundings, use smooth throttle inputs, and practice gradual braking in a safe area. Repeat these steps until they feel natural. Start by exploring the drive modes and what each changes about throttle response and steering feel. Practice switching between comfort and sport to notice differences in acceleration and transmission mapping. Use manual paddle shifts for controlled gear selection on hills or spirited driving, and rely on the electronic parking brake and auto hold for stop-and-go traffic. Always confirm settings before you drive and practice transitions in a safe environment until you build confidence. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like the video so I can make more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated on long drives and during practice sessions, and it fits most cup holders without spills. It's a small convenience that makes warm days and long commutes easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Drive with anticipation and smooth inputs to keep shifts seamless and passengers comfortable. Avoid sudden acceleration or braking, and use gentle throttle to let the transmission adapt to loading. When approaching turns, slow early and use the transmission's lower ratios if needed to stabilize the car. Watch tire grip and road conditions, especially in wet or icy situations, and practice these techniques in low-risk areas before applying them on busier roads.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.